Equation of circle given endpoints of a diameter. Let's say we are given a circle. This is the center and this is the diameter. Now what we are given is A and B. The coordinates we are given x1, y1, x2, y2. So a circle with a diameter having the endpoints as A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2. Now as usual, let's take an arbitrary point. So let's say this is the arbitrary point P. Let's say this is x comma y. P x comma y be an arbitrary point on the circle. Now if we connect A, B and PB, you will notice that this angle is going to be right angle. Angle APB is equal to 90 degree. Angle subtended by a diameter. So AP is perpendicular to PB. Now perpendicular lines have a property. What is that? Slope of AP multiplied by slope of PB is equal to -1, which means slope of AP would be what? Y minus y1 by x minus x1, and slope of PB would be y minus y2 by x minus x2 equal to -1. Now let's multiply this y minus y1, y minus y2. Let's bring the denominator to this side. So what do we get? X minus x1, x minus x2. And if you bring the x's to this side, it will become x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1, y minus y2 equal to 0. And this is the equation of a circle with x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 as the end points of the diameter. Let's take an example. Let's say A is at 2, 3 and B is at -3, 2, and we have to find the equation of the circle. Now we know the equation: x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1, y minus y2 equal to 0. So therefore x minus 2, x minus -3, that is +3, plus y minus 3 and y minus 2 equal to 0. X square minus 3x minus 2x is x minus 6 plus y square minus -2 minus 3 is -5y plus 6 equal to 0. X square plus y square minus x minus 5y and 6 minus 6 gets cancelled equal to 0. So that's the equation of the circle with the endpoints of the diameter being at 2, 3 and -3, that's it. Bye.